Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. 2 more weeks for my Bengaluru workshop end of this month. So those who are interested can contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. Coming back to markets and very high volatile market. If you can remember what I said in the pre-market, every day in the morning, if Nifty falls, the uniformly more than 200-point recovery happens before the end of the day. Or in the morning, if the market goes higher, then uniformly more than 200-point fall happens in the second half of the day. Yesterday, the markets went higher. After 2 p.m., Nifty has fallen about 200 points. And today, the markets fell. So don't know. In the pre-market itself, I said GIFT Nifty maybe is a overreaction. And the Nifty fell nearly 250 points. And from there, shot up more than 300 points. Now, if you look at since last Tuesday to today, there are only 7 trading sessions. In this 7 trading session, 4 trading sessions, Nifty fell below 23,400. And 4 trading sessions, Nifty went above 23,700. And you can see the kind of volatility, right? It goes above, as and when it goes closer to 23,800, selling comes and falls. As and when it goes closer to 23,300, the buying comes and market shoots up. And today, the most part of the day, the volatility index was higher. Only towards the end of the day, the volatility index came down. So because of that, the option premiums also came down. And today, the Nifty is up only by 40 points. But even the 23,500 put, which is out of the money put, has fallen by 50 rupees. Why? The reason is very simple. In the last half an hour, because of maybe short covering, throughout the day, the Nifty future was trading either at par with the spot or at a discount. At many times, the discount was about 20 points. In the last 10-15 minutes, the premium has actually expanded. In the last tick, the Nifty future was about 30-35 points premium to the spot. So maybe, options always follow the future prices. So that's why when Nifty has gone up by 41 points, the put premiums have fallen even more than that. So that is one thing. So today in the side drama, Prime Minister has given some gift to Italian Prime Minister. So that is Parle Melody chocolate. And, the people misinterpreted that to Parle Industries here, which has nothing to do with the chocolate. So that stock has shot up by 5%. Right? So this shows, markets are always irrational. So that's a side joke, right? Otherwise, and today, as I told you, the markets, are consolidating only. And even just look at the last Tuesday red candle. So that candle has not been taken out. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 6 trading sessions, Nifty could not take even the last red candle of the 4 days of fall last week. But good thing is that, so the Nifty is taking support again and again between 23,300 and 23,400. And so US markets fell for 3 days. So right now the futures are higher. So probably, Trump's comment that, the deal will be signed soon with Iran, but I do not know. The way Iran is putting things, I don't think that there can be any deal, right? So maybe I'll come out with a separate video about that, so it's going to be a very long video. Well, let us restrict for the short term trading only. So as I told you earlier, it is 23,200 on the downside, 24,300 on the upside. So that should be the broader range for next 1 week. So 1 day is gone. So we have only 4 more trading sessions. This entire May series has been hugely volatile, and every day Nifty is making 2% move, and not on one direction. And today you see, for example, 250 point fell in the morning, then from there 300 320 point higher. So total 500 550 point, that's at about 2%. And then 20 trading session, and every trading session this happens. So that means Nifty is making a 40% move, and Bank Nifty was even more volatile. And today, even when the Nifty was positive, the Bank Nifty was negative. And then from the day's low, the Bank Nifty shot up nearly 800 points. So this huge volatility is likely to continue. And you remember my statement always, if the first 3 weeks are volatile, the 4th week will be even more volatile. But as long as it is a range bound, we must be happy. I think FIIs have sold today, but not much. The domestic institutions have bought more than that. Just now I checked, only NSE data has come, but not the combined data of all the exchanges. NSE data says around 1,000 crore sell by FII and 2,000 crore buy by domestic institutions. So today IT index has come down, but today mainly Reliance Industries. So yesterday it fell about 25 rupees, and today shot up more than that. So today Reliance was the main contributor for the bulls. So tomorrow what is going to happen? It's going to be slightly difficult for us to predict at this point of time because of this Fed minutes and NVIDIA results tonight. So tomorrow morning it's going to be either slightly bigger gap up or gap down, depending upon where the US markets closes. Let us hope that this is going to be a slightly gap up. Markets, the entire May series, markets have not gone anywhere, so especially after Prime Minister's statement. So before Prime Minister's statement, so it was trading like 24,000 plus minus, and 23,600 was the low, 24,600 was the high. Then when the Prime Minister's statement came, the Nifty has fallen about 800 points in just 2 trading sessions. Then after that, it is a story between 23,300 and 23,800. So let us hope market breaks out in the next few days. So let's see what's going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.